Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save fuel by changing your engine type on Google Maps. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Google Maps and click on your profile icon on the top right. Once you're on here, select settings near the bottom and then scroll down until you see navigation. So select that and then again scroll down until you see route options, and then you should see engine type underneath there. So select that and this will just let you know save fuel with routes based on your engine type. Fuel use for each route varies by vehicle. Choose your engine type to get the best route for yours. So obviously you'll have 4 options. You can have diesel, electric, gas and hybrid. And once you're happy with that, just select done and that will change your engine type on Google Maps. Thanks for watching